morning, grade 2. I am your teacher, April, and I am your English teacher for today. Before we start to our discussion, I prepared an activity for you. Earlier, we read the story about Anna's birthday. In that story, it is Anna's birthday and she is 6 years old, and her father prepared the table and mat along with his hat, and he put those things on the garden, and her mother prepared the foods. So in that sense, I prefer the 5 pictures here, and you will guess what is the picture. The first picture. What is the first picture? Okay, very good. It is food. The second picture. Okay, very good. It is math. The third picture. Okay, very good. It is hat. The fourth picture. Okay, very good. It is 6. The fifth picture. Okay, very good. It is table. So, who else can give those 5 beginning letters of the 5 pictures? Anyone? Okay. The first beginning letters of the pictures are, first is food, so it is F. Second is math, so it is M. Third is hat, it is H. Fourth is 6, it is S. Fifth is table, it is T. So what are the similarities of those 5 beginning letters? Anyone? Okay, the similarities of those 5 beginning letters are they are all consonants. So can you guess what is the topic for today? Anyone? Okay, very good. Our topic for today is the beginning consonants of F, M, H, S, and T. So, now that you know our topic for today, I prepared an activity for you. You will encircle the first beginning letter of the pictures I will present on this. Then after that, you will pass the paper. Then the first picture is mango. The second picture is medal. The third picture is trompo. The fourth picture is fish. The fifth picture is mouse. So for that, we can move on to the questions that I prepared to you. So a while ago we read the story about Anna. So can you know that what is the importance of birthday in our life? Anyone who can guess the importance of birthdays in our life? Okay, very good. The importance of birthdays in our life is that it is the special day for everyone, and as a kid, you will experience it, and it is once in a year, and you will feel special on that day because you will feel awesome for God given you the opportunity for another life. Then the second question is, what did Anna feel at the end? Okay, Anna feel at the end, she felt surprised. And if you are Anna, what will you feel? Okay, Anna feel that she is if you are Anna, what will you feel? Okay, very good. You will feel same as Anna. Before because of that, we're done with the discussion, and who else know what is the meaning of consonants? Okay, the consonants is the sounds of speech or letter in the alphabet that is not a vowel. When we say vowel, it is a, e, i, o, u. Then, in Tagalog, consonant is katinig. Pag sinabing consonant sa Tagalog, ito ay katinig. Ang katinig, ito ay tunog ng pagsasalita ng tao na kung saan ito ay bahagya o pagsasara ng vocal cords. So, I prepared an activity for you to easily understand what we tackled for today. So, you can put the pictures on the table of M, H, S, F, and T. So, the topic is the consonant M, H, T, S, F. So because of that, we're done with our discussion. And thank you for your listening, grade 2.